Welcome to Animal Sounds with Curious Sprouts. Are you ready to guess what sound we'll hear today? Let's find out.
Who's hiding behind the barn? Can you guess this animal? Did you guess it? It's a cow. Look at those big spots and friendly eyes. Cows love to munch on grass all day long. They even have 4 stomachs to help them digest it. Wow! That's a lot of chewing.
That was fun, wasn't it? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more animal sounds. See you next time on Curious Sprouts.